In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the art of selecting objects with precision in your design software using the selection tool. Understanding how to efficiently select objects is a fundamental skill that can greatly enhance your workflow, allowing you to edit with greater ease and accuracy. First, let's get comfortable with our primary tool, the selection tool. You can quickly access it by pressing the keyboard shortcut V. This tool is indispensable when it comes to choosing and manipulating objects within your workspace. Once you've activated the tool, selecting objects becomes intuitive and straightforward. Begin by clicking on a single object that you wish to select. If your task requires selecting multiple objects, hold down the Shift key as you continue to click on additional objects you want to include in your selection. This technique is particularly useful when you have multiple items that need to be moved or edited as a group. Remember, practice this movement a few times to become comfortable with it, as it will save you a considerable amount of time in the long run. Moving on to a slightly more advanced technique, let's discuss how to use a marquee selection. Click and drag a marquee, or a selection box, around the objects you're interested in. This will select any object that your selection box touches. Depending on your selection mode, you might only capture objects that are fully enclosed within the marquee or any that are merely touched by it. This method can be incredibly efficient when handling clusters of objects, or if you need to select a large number of items quickly. It's useful to take a moment to understand your software selection preferences, as this can impact your selections and streamline your process. Now, what if some objects you need are obscured by others? This is where understanding how to select objects behind others becomes vital. While you're using the selection tool, hold down the Ctrl key if you're on Windows or the CMD key if you're on a Mac. Then, click on the spot where you suspect the object to be. By doing this, you can cycle through the stacked items, allowing you to pinpoint and select the exact object hidden beneath the layers. This action is essential for intricate designs where elements overlap. Each of these methods provides you with a layer of control and precision over your design space. Mastering these will not only enhance your efficiency, but also ensure that your design projects are as seamless and smooth as possible. Practice these techniques in your next project session, and soon enough, they'll become second nature. By integrating these strategies into your workflow, you'll find that navigating even the most complex designs becomes a breeze. Happy designing!